So this is a bow hunt in Oklahoma. We've been seeing a big buck come in here. We've got a few feeding places out, and the bucks don't usually use them this time of the year because it's a little pre-rut. They're hanging out with the does sometimes when they're really in rut, but he's actually been coming to this feed spot for like the last 2 days. This is the first, November 1st, I think. And we saw a giant buck today. We actually saw a big 10-pointer kind of scouting out a different area. But we're gonna see if we can shoot this big buck tonight. I got my bow, and we're just in a little climber because all these trees right here are kind of crazy. This is just the corner of a cow pasture that backs up to the Arkansas River, and there's a river bottom that they all bed in, and then they'll work their way up to this corner. And the big bucks usually cruise this river bottom, but this guy's been kind of popping up into this filled corner. And we've seen him a couple times on camera in the dark, at dusk and in the morning. So, see what we can do. So this is a big buck we've had on camera now for 3 years. He was mature 3 years ago, and he just really never grew into anything crazy. So we decided it was time for him to go. This is the first time I've self-filmed a deer hunt. It was kind of cool. This tree worked out perfect for the GoPro to get a different angle and kind of watch what I was doing in the tree while I had my camera on the arm and was able to film the hunt. Can't tell it in the footage, but there's actually 7 does underneath me, to the right of me, and in this feeding pen at the same time. I still don't understand how these deer missed me. I don't know why they didn't catch me. It was very, very windy, so all the limbs were moving, and maybe they just missed me. I just smoked him. He's down. I got it all on video. I just smoked him. Oh man. I just smoked him. I hunted that deer for a long time last year. Chased him a bunch. I sat here multiple nights. And he just came in to this feed spot that he just does not eat the corn from. But he walked in way before sunset. It's 5:50. And I just smoked him. Not a tough tracking job when you watch him die. Oh man, that was good. Look at that stud. That's awesome. I just smoked a stud. Look at that dude. Look at that buck. That's a good one. He's a 9-pointer. Got a crazy growth here. Went in behind the ribs and it came out opposite shoulder. And that deer, he was right up there. Ran about 50 yards and died fast. Look at that dude. That's a good one. That's a pretty buck right there. That was awesome. Oh man, that is cool. Big old 9-pointer. You gotta love it. Man, that broadhead did some work right there. Broke my ear off. And him. What a stud. He dropped me off here at like 3:30. The temperature just fell. It's getting cold. But the deer are moving, baby. Deer are moving. Doing some hunting in Oklahoma. It's been a great trip. Tonight I'm doing a little scouting. We've been seeing really nice buck in this one little area. It's a 3-year-old, maybe 4-year-old. I just want to get some footage of it. We're not going to shoot it this year, but you know, he'll be a definite shooter next year. just kills me with his hoof. I guess he has some type of hoof rot. He could have had EHD. We're not real sure. We're really concerned that he might not make it. We'd love to see him next year, but if you knew that he was gonna die, you'd probably want to go ahead and take him. He's a beautiful deer. So we did pass him, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna try to keep up with him on trail cameras and hope for the best. We hate to see him limping around like he is.